Habotest clamp meter. They say 1000 amperes current for both DC and AC. Is this maybe the best buy clamp meter? Let's check in this video. Stay with me. So when you buy it and pay like 35 euros for it, what you going to get? Big box like this. Look at it. It's huge. But when you open box, you will get even better things. Look at this package. It's hard, really protective case for this instrument. I like it. Inside, temperature probe. Instrument itself. Look at it, how big it is. For real, it's big. And test probes. Battery compartment. 3 AAA batteries. Look at it. At least 2 colors displayed. First check always for me is to see quality of test leads. You know why I do that? Because leads should be high quality with very low resistance, so we does not count resistance into final reading result. 50 milliohms, even less than that. We will take it as 50 milliohms 1 lead, so 100 milliohms 2 test leads. 0.1 ohm. No, it's not for such low. Let's see 0.5. Of course it measures 0.5. 1 ohm. Yeah. 100 kilo ohm. Nice. 1 mega ohm. Sorry for my test leads. 1 mega ohm. 10 mega ohms. Of course it measures ohm. Yeah. And when you are in ohm range, that means you're using continuity test in same time. So how fast is? Response time is pretty nice. Next one is diode test mode. So yeah, 2.7 volt green diode. Very easy job for this instrument. Next, capacitance. No, 40 picofarad. It says 40 picofarad, it's 20 picofarad. So 330, 327, that's okay. 220 microfarad. 223, it's in tolerance range. 3.3 milli, and this is don't do that to me, please. It looks like it's telling me that out of range. It simply can't measure this capacitance. That's disappointing. 3.3 millifarad. There is always someone who doubts like capacitance is not okay. So let me show you. 3.3 millifarad. So capacitance is okay on this capacitor, but this one does not measure that. Out of range. They claim it's up to 10 millifarads, 10,000 microfarads, but it's refusing to read 3.3 millifarads. So either this one I received is faulty or it cannot do that job. Temperature. It measures temperature. As soon as I picked the sensor, it started rising, so that's fine. It can measure temperature, no problem with that. This is millivolt range, 10 millivolts. Of course it's reading 10 millivolts. That's nice. So millivolt range working. Like almost 60 millivolts. That's fine regarding millivolts. Now we are in volt range and let's see DC voltage. 1 volt feeding at the moment. Yeah, it's okay. Let me go up. 2 volts, 10 volts, 20, 50. Yeah, it's okay. Its tolerance is okay. So it's 1 amp at the moment. We will take it like this. And what it will show. This is 20 ohm. So at this voltage it will take like 250 milliamps. As you see, it reads 10, but so it's not so precise at low amperage. As you can see, it's not so accurate. Let me raise a little voltage to get to 1 amp. Now is it's half amp, but it still does not reading maximum 1 amp, and it says 600 milliamps. You see this? That's not okay. So below 1 amp this instrument of course should not be used, even below 10 amps. That is what I have to say about it, and it does not take any current at the moment. There is no current flowing, it's showing 300 milliamps. Yeah, this is green now. You see, pretty far away it detects live. So okay, so this is load. Check here, check here. It reads quite okay. I would say this is just fine. What it read with AC. So here it is how it looks inside. You can see two PTC for protections at bottom inputs, but as you have seen, these inputs does not take any current in, so having these two PTC as protection is pretty nice decision by Habotest. All beside there is LCD driver here, and this is firmware chip, and every single other components is laser brushed, so you cannot know anything more about its build. Quality of build is not questioned, but quality of work is questioned. We've seen what we have seen. It does not read properly low DC current, and that is what I always wanna see from these clamp meters. It's not question how it going to read 1000 amps or 500 amps. It will read that, I assure you that. But what if I need to read just few amps? It didn't detect 1 amp DC properly, so that is bad. Do I recommend it for 35 euros? No, I do not. That what they claim, 1000 current, maximum current 1000 amp is not something not offered by other instruments. Even cheaper ones offer same readings, and you could see me test a few other clamp meters here at my channel, which actually was work much better than this instrument. Thank you for watching this, and till next video, bye bye.